If you have an eye for detail, love to plan events, and know how to make a party unforgettable, then starting your own party planning business could be your dream job. In this video, let's walk you through the steps it takes to kick off your party planning business, and we are going to make it easy. But before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, the event planning industry is a booming one, with revenues exceeding $5 billion in 2021 and growing at a rate of over 3% annually. Despite challenges faced during the pandemic, the industry bounced back, demonstrating its resilience. Now is a great time to join in. Your first step is to identify your niche. Party planning isn't a one-size-fits-all business. It ranges from planning corporate events to weddings to kids' birthday parties and much more. Understanding who your audience is will help you tailor your services and marketing strategy. The next step is to gain experience. Even if you've planned parties for family and friends, consider working with an established event planner or volunteering for an event organization to gain industry knowledge. Experience is priceless in this business. Now, let's talk about creating your business plan. This is where you'll outline your business goals, strategies, marketing, and financial plans, and identify your potential obstacles. This is also the time to decide on your business name, which is a vital part of your brand identity. After getting your business plan ready, it's time to take care of your business registration and licensing steps. This might sound intimidating, but trust us, it doesn't have to be. Welcome to legalregistration.com. Our mission is to make all registration and licensing processes a breeze for you. We take care of everything from registering your business name to getting your licenses in order, so you can focus on the fun stuff, planning amazing parties. Next, you're ready to start marketing your services. Establish a professional website, make use of social media platforms, and start networking. Yeah! You'll want to show off your previous work if you can. And don't forget to ask satisfied customers for reviews and referrals. Last but not least, you will need to set your prices. Research your competitors, consider your costs, and determine what you think your time is worth. Remember, your pricing should reflect the quality of your services. Starting a party planning business involves many moving parts, but with careful planning and a touch of creativity, you can turn your passion into a profitable career. Let's raise a toast to your new venture and let the party begin. If you need more information about how to start a party planning business, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Is there a specific step that seems the most challenging? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your new party planning business.